Olive, this is Oliv's Fun Activities. Today my sister's going to be helping me. She's going to be handing stuff to me actually. So let's get started. So I think we do glue first. Do it? Okay. So let's do this. There. We're going to be making a giant slime today, guys. Okay, so okay, that one's empty. Let's move on to this one now. A lot of glue for one bowl. Okay. Okay, got this one. Now we're gonna move on to the magic thing. No, it's called sister's just gonna open that for me. Comment down below if you love my videos and like and subscribe. If you love my videos too. Anyways, so shaving cream. Sorry about that. Okay, now. What? Mix it. Okay, this is a really foamy slime, guys. So,
Kind of put a lot.
yeah, I probably did put a lot. And now I have to mix it pretty much a lot. So,
I'm gonna do this part. Okay.
okay. Looks so nice though. Well, that's the reason why. It's shaving cream, so. Wow. I don't know what it feels like yet, but that's gonna feel really good. Okay. Get in. Get in! Okay, I'm sorry. Is that good? Comment down below a blue heart if you love slime. Pretty much a lot. Okay.
I got a lot of shaving cream.
Sorry. Okay, now what do we do now? If I was done mixing it. Wow, okay, now this is stickier than I thought it would be. Comment down what color I should make this. And yeah, so, and also comment down below your favorite color. Mine is blue. Okay. I keep playing with it also. Like a marshmallow right now. And we're gonna add some food coloring and all that stuff, and yeah, and let me get all this stuff off. Okay, so now we are gonna do some food coloring. We are gonna do blue. So let me just get this out. Okay. I have it now, so let's put it in 2 drops. Okay. 3. Okay. 1.
You want it light or dark?
I want it dark.
Then do more. Do like 5.
That's good. Okay, and
Your hands are gonna be stable.
do that. Put it in. Okay.
Get in it with you.
Okay. And so guys, do you see my hands? This is not what I expected, actually. Look what I did to my hands, everybody. Look at this beautiful blue. Comment down below if you love sticky slime. Like and subscribe if you don't. And that's okay, because we're all different. Now, it's so sticky. Let me take this off. So sorry that got stuck to my hands and the ear again. Okay, I don't know if that was a rain shower. Let's put that back. Anyways, really nice. If you felt this right now, you would love it. And yeah. Bye everybody. I hope you come back to my channel, like and subscribe if you love my videos. Bye.